Hey there, future retirees. Welcome to this quick guide on how to sign up for Robinhood Retirement. If you're looking to kickstart your retirement savings with a simple, no-fee platform, Robinhood is a game changer. It's perfect for beginners and pros alike, offering tools to invest in your golden years without the hassle. Let's dive right in. First, download the Robinhood app from your phone's app store or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you have it open, if you're new to Robinhood, you'll need to create an account. Enter your email address, set up a secure password, and verify your phone number with a quick text code. This step ensures your account is safe and secure. Next, log in and head to the main dashboard. Look for the Invest or Retirement section. It's usually front and center. Tap on Retirement to get started. Robinhood will guide you through selecting your account type, like a Roth IRA or traditional IRA. Think about your tax situation here. A quick online search can help if you're unsure. Now, you'll need to provide some personal details for verification, such as your social security number, date of birth, and address. This is standard for all retirement accounts to comply with regulations. Once verified, you can fund your account. Link your bank account or transfer funds from another brokerage. Robinhood makes this seamless with instant deposits. After funding, customize your investments. Robinhood offers automated portfolios based on your risk tolerance and goals, so you can set it and forget it. Finally, review everything and confirm your setup. You're all set to start growing your retirement nest egg. Remember, starting early is key to building wealth, so don't wait. If you have questions, check Robinhood's Help Center or consult a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.